Literally no one really likes a change. Especially when it lands in your inbox like, important update, please read. And what do most people do with that? Ignore, delay, complaint, welcome to the change curve. Truth is, people don't fear change. They fear confusion. So what do we give them? Slides. Workshops. A few more meetings. Sound familiar? But what if change felt more like a challenge? A level? A game? So why can't training feel the same way? It can. And it should. Because gamification turns information into instinct. Click something, make a decision. It works? Great. If it doesn't, try again. This isn't an idea, it's already working. A global enterprise had a brilliant change model, but zero traction. We didn't walk in with a training manual. We brought a game plan. We applied gamification, built experience, changed behavior. We turned their static model into a 30-minute game. For immersive phases, 10 challenge-driven scenarios. The results? Managers didn't memorize the process. They let it, like pros. Scan the QR code for the full story. Change is coming whether people are ready or not. Don't roll out a policy. Trigger a transformation.